Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing some Dollar Tree DIYs. I'm going to be doing two different ones. I came up with this wonderful inspiration from this centerpiece that I did for my mom a while ago. I got really jealous, so I did just get a little tin from the Dollar Tree, and I had some mason jars, spray adhesive, and some twine, and then some ivory chalk paint. And I'm just going to take this spray adhesive and wrap the twine all the way around one of these mason jars, and then the other two I am just going to paint. And if you think I sound weird or a little boring in this video, just let you know that I have been so sick for over a week, and I lost my voice for 5 days, and I'm finally getting it back, but I know it's not 100% there, but it keeps going in and out, and I was just like, I need to get some videos done, because luckily I pre-recorded just a couple of them, so I had footage for like almost a whole week for you guys, so that was like amazing. And once the mason jars were dry, I just took a little sanding block and just sanded some of it down just to make it a little more distressed, not like too much, but just like a really tiny bit. And then I took the chalk paint in white and elephant, and I mixed them together a little bit, and then I'm just going to paint over this entire flowers and garden bucket. I really like it, but I don't know if I'm like really into like the tin and like super galvanized like this. Like it looks galvanized, but like almost not realistic. I don't know, but I liked the way this turned out all painted, and I was super happy. And then I just kind of took like my sanding block again, and I just kind of rubbed a little bit of it off just to distress it just a little bit. So this is what everything looks like once it's dried. I absolutely love this, and I was super happy with the way the mason jars turned out. And even if you can't find this galvanized bucket, you can always just paint the mason jars or put some twine around them. And then I picked up some of this lavender from Walmart. I love the lavender from Walmart, although it is like a little messy. Maybe it's just mine, but it was really messy and leaving like a lot of white marks all over. But I think this is super cute for spring. I absolutely love it. I would do anything for. And then I wanted to try something else that made it look like more like my mom's, because like I said, I was really jealous, but I don't have anywhere to buy another galvanized like long tray for our table. So I just took some reindeer moss in this little bucket, and then a couple of these lavender pieces, and just stuck them right in the sides. And these fluff up so nice and so easy. So if you can find some of these at Walmart, I can't after I bought these. So if you find them, just buy them all, because they're not going to be there next time. And I'm like really wishing I would have got a lot more than just 4. And then I'm just going to take these eggs from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to stuff them in. I just took the white and the purple because I thought they matched and looked really cute. But that is it for my video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I know it was really short, but that's the way I like them. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye!